It's been a busy week of games, and here are some of the highlights, starting out with the two-player head-to-head game Leaders, in which you take on a team of leaders, each of which has their own unique abilities in order to try and meet the victory conditions. Really good, really replayable, and highly recommended. I'd also highly recommend Deco, which is currently live right now on GameFound, and this is a poker-themed deck-building game that is similar to the popular app Balatro, in which you're trying to build a deck of cards from which you'll draw poker hands, increasingly getting stronger and stronger as the game goes on as you try and win the bets. There's jokers that will give you ongoing abilities and a unique rules to each round. Really good game. Definitely watch out for this one on GameFound if you're a fan of either poker or deck building.